Hello, I'm going to explain about the quick start of the data management with Google tools. Now we are using the Google Form and the Google Sheet. And let me just share small presentation. Okay. Okay. So this video introduces you very quick introduction of the how we do it: data input, data check, data edit, and the data export to the Excel. Okay. Then we are using these tools, Google Form, and later on the Google Sheet, and later on we're going to use Excel. Okay. Okay. Now let's find. I'm sure you have the URL, and with that you can open this sheet. And so this is a questionnaire sheet. So this is just a simple, quick sheet, life satisfactory survey. You have a name and the birthday, and it's a year of birth and gender, and also the ticking that what item you have, and the level of your satisfaction, and this some description of the how you think of what makes people happy. Okay, that's it. Then you may find this URL. Just click. Then just imagine we are going to have this this questionnaire sheet. Then you want the data input. Okay. Then here you just click here, select, and click here. So this is a Google Sheet. Then from here you find your name. You can just name your name. I say my name, Hiroshi. Your birth, it's 2080. Yeah. The gender may may select the female, male, and the free tick of the white I have. So this is exactly the same. So here, TV, smartphone, motorbike, and here you may just choose it, or fairly, yes, very much, and worksmate with a friend, okay. And today is what day? May find day 18, or you can just change it date, okay. And memo is sometimes some people write down some very important message outside of this, questionnaire. So if you feel that you need you need to record this message, you can just write down here. I just blank it, okay? Then submit. So that's it. Then after that, so second page, you just again submit another response. My name is John Sykes. And the year, I don't know what the year, 1990. Right. Okay. Gender, female, what is maybe others, no? And the computer, TV, and that's it. Okay. Answer what makes people happy, and the guitar. And here, the memo, long hair. It's like this. Yeah. So that's it. So this is how we you did input data. Okay. So now data input Google form is there. Now you want to check that the Google the data is actually the input not. Then, but you need to you need a right editor's right. So you can't actually directly access that the editor mode. So you go back to this URL. Then you may find this the form edit. Okay, you just check it. You may copy or you just click on that. I just easy to click on that. So this is, what difference? You can see this is now you can see responses 4. So this is 4 I just input data before. Then So this is a editor's mode. So you can just change it. So you can just put here your name, you just type here. But today, this time, I just want to check whether this response. So I want to the review. So you go to this one, response. So you can see that this is a summary. So you may find it's a name of the person and what year, okay, and gender, and what item they click on that. So this is how what the opinions how differ they are, and this is the description, and this is the date and the memos. Okay, and also you can want to check again. You want to check the individually. You may find sometimes, for example, Mr. Takahiro Miyoshi's that you find it some data is something wrong. So you just check it here, the individual. So you just find the name. Okay, you can just change name. So you can just check it whether this is a right or wrong. Okay, you just check it. Yeah. But the point is that the Google form, so you just find it. Google form, you can check the data, but you can't modify the data directly. Okay, so that in that case, you needed something, another application. So this is a Google Sheet. Okay, Google Sheet, you can find two ways. One way is the easiest way that in this, the crossing, yeah, view responses in sheet. Okay, so this is actually the kind of Excel, Excel type of the Google Sheet, Google. Okay, so you find the timestamp. This is a when actually this data actually inputted, and this is a name, birth, gender. Okay. So you find this is a blank because I put the other. Okay. Then you can just here you can modify. For example, you find Takahiro Miyoshi is not male or female, female. Okay. And John Sykes, we know that this male. You can just change it. But again, this one is just the kind of that you change the data within this Google Sheet. It does not appear on this original Google form. This Google form is actually mainly used for that data input. So the relationship is like this. This is a one direction. Google form, from here you can put the data, but this data is actually can be stored in the Google Sheet. But it's not vice versa. So Google Sheet cannot access to the Google form directly. Okay. Okay, that is why we need a kind of the other database sheet. So if the data itself is as simple as it is like this, so you can just check the data from here. Okay. Then if you find some, for example, you may find okay, no, this person is not supposed to be male. So you just go into this one, you go into the sheet, you can just change it to male. Okay. Then probably you want to even the edit, you want to put more like a graph, and also you can export to another application like Excel or maybe SPSS or R, and you can go into use it to the export mode. So you can just export. For example, you can export from here. You go into file, and you may find a download. So you can choose a Microsoft Excel, open data format. This one is going to be used in database software, the Google, Libre database. Okay, so please remember that there are difference too. So now I'm going to export the Excel. Okay, so you're going to after you go into the Excel, you can just open up here. So congratulations, you can now have more familiar, this one. Okay, and just some trick, you want to just go into the download, open database, open application, a library database. So you may find like this. Okay. Okay. You can see this is a library office calc. So this is the Excel, kind of the Excel for that, but it's free. You can use it. This one is we are going to use later on. Okay. Just I just show you how to just demonstration. You don't need to do that because next session we're going to in detail how to do it. Right. So you're going to library database. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, you don't need to copy, but you just want to show how it is. Okay. Finish. Then I just put in here the new database. Okay. Okay. So this is the database. So it looks like from here. Now we're going to from LibreOffice copy. Okay. Select. Okay. Then here you just I put the copy. And now I'm going to put in a database, small database. Okay. Going to table, paste it, and yes. And okay, going to put next and create. Okay, okay. So now this is the table. Okay. After I made a table is like just Excel. But after table, I put in here. Okay. Now form wizard. Form wizard. Okay. Then now I choose everything. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now next. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. Now you can see this is the database. So this is the interface. Okay. So this is a very easy to find. So this is a so good database. So which can be actually it can be used for the data review. Also, that you can modify it and correct it. So now next session we are going to show you how to make this one from the beginning. Okay. So thank you very much watching this. So please enjoy the following the sessions. Thank you.